I want to do a review of this railing that we installed right here in our basement apartment. So back a couple years ago, I needed to find a railing to be able to pass code, and I got several different estimates, and they were over $2,000. So I found this one off Amazon, and it worked really, really well. So aside from making a few adjustments and having to get a little bit stronger cement, screws, and hangers, this thing passed our city code with flying colors as far as how far it is away from the house and how much weight it can hold. Since my home wasn't flat on the outside of it, we did have to come up with this little contraption right here so that it could be flush with the outside of the house and still hold a lot of weight. So the end didn't hit the actual house, but this is the thing that we came up with. We ordered the 11-foot hand railing, and we did have to cut it down so it is adjustable to the size you need, exactly to the inch. You will have to cut it off. But I'm very, very pleased with this railing. It has saved me a lot of money, and the company does make videos to help you install it. So I do suggest go look at those videos before you install. Anyway, very good product. Good price, passed our city code. I would definitely recommend this railing to any friend.